back, Subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we're going to be doing a SCENTBOX unboxing and review. So before I get into this video, I'm going to need y'all to subscribe, because if you're watching my videos and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Also, remember to click that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So let's get into it. So this month I got my SCENTBOX. Came in this package, and we're gonna open it and smell the goodies. So before we get into it, the scent of the month is Honey Marie. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but Honey opens with sparkling notes of cinnamon, bergamot, and orange blossom. The heart includes sweet wild strawberries combined with jasmines, resting on soft warm tones of sandalwood and vanilla. That actually sounds delightful. I think I'm gonna try that. I think I'm going to go ahead and put that in the queue. And then the male scent of the month is I Am King by Sean John, you know, P. Diddy. Defined by unique masculine freshness, sparkling fruits, and sensual woods, I Am King cologne creates a new signature for modern the man. Okay, that sounds good. So yeah, I'm gonna remember to put that in the queue so that way we can try this out. So our scent for this month is Couture by Lala by the Juicy Couture. So this scent is good for summer. It has a citrusy smell according to what the site says, and it's also very youthful and it's good for people that work out. So if you're interested in getting a subscription with SCENTBOX, you get the first month for $9.72, and you also get a 30-day supply of the fragrance. After the first month is $14.95 a month, and every month you have an opportunity to choose from over 850 designer perfumes and colognes. The pros of this are you get to save money and you get to discover so many new designer fragrances that you didn't even know was out yet. You get to try it instead of just buying the full-size product that you see at the store, or trying it on one of those little paper thingies, and then when you take it home, it doesn't work out because, I mean, the body chemistry didn't work, or for whatever reason, you just decided that you didn't like it anymore. At least with this, you get to try it, and you're really in control over the scents that you get to try, that you want to try. You get to discover the new scent, you get to pick it out, pick whichever month you get it, and you're good to go. The cons, there are none. So make sure you go down to the description box and click the link and get your subscription. Okay, save your coins. Nothing wrong with that. So anyways, let's get to the scent. So when you open it, it comes in a container like this. And then you just open it by twisting it. And we're gonna try it. Oh wow. It is really strong, like really strong. You will only need to spray yourself once with this. Okay, yes, this smells so good. And it's very strong and overpowering that you might want to rub this in different areas. I feel like this hoodie is going to smell like this, like for a few days. So it smells really good, and is a very musky, very citrusy, very musky. Like I get that smell right off the back, and the smell lingers. It definitely lingers. I would say that I like strong perfumes, don't get me wrong, but it's a little strong for my taste, and too musky too. You know, I want something a little more subtle. Of course, I don't like too weak of perfumes, but I like perfumes that are a little more subtle. So would I buy this in a full size? No, I would not. But I'm glad that I was able to get this shipped to me. So that way I know that this perfume isn't for me. It's not bad, doesn't smell bad, but it's just not for me. But For those of you who like the strong, musky, citrusy type of smell, this perfume may be for you, but it's definitely not for me. And that is okay, because guess what? No money lost here. None. So I have some more fragrances in the queue right now, but I'm gonna go ahead while we're filming and make the switch to one of them and change it to the Hannah Marie, because from the way it's describing the smells and everything, vanilla, jasmine, strawberry, and bergamot, I'm gonna go ahead and switch one. So there it is. I found it by the brand, so you can filter by brand. As you can see, apply brand filter, and you can choose the picture. And this one I'm just gonna add to queue. And I see that she has another one here. It's the butterfly one. So yeah, I can't wait to try that one. So this one I'm gonna add to the queue, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the front, so that way this will be the very next perfume that I get. And yeah, that is done. So when I go back to my account, I can look at what's in the queue, and that's next in the queue. So that's how you do the whole process. It's very easy, and you can choose from so many different fragrances. Or let's say Christmas is coming up and you're not sure what to get your dad or your hubby or your grandfather, and you want to switch to the male cologne. So all you have to do is go in and you can just pick out a cologne, and then you have it shipped, and then you can test it out and try it. Have somebody else try it, I guess. And then if you like it and you think it smells good and it'll smell good on your man, then you can buy the full-size product. Like I said, so many pros. Where's the con? Like literally, where's the con? But yeah, that is it for this video. Like I said, if you're interested, it will be down in the description box below. Remember to give this video the big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.